Let's continue the regular expression here. So we know how to use the search. Let's see how to use the find all method. From the name itself, we can understand it will return all the occurrence in the list format. Okay, I'm going to have a string here. So what I'm going to so wish you happy new year and happy birthday. My friend's birthday and then on Jan 1st, so I'm wishing him happy birthday and as well as happy new year. Okay, let's use the find all here. Find all. The first thing, what is the pattern which you are trying to use? So I'm trying to search for the happy, and which what is the variable here? String. So I'm going to search in the string. So let's take the outcome in x2 variable, and now let's print the x2. Now right click and run. See, we have a match and the first and white space at them here. This is where the thing which we made. See, the happy at the position of 3 and some other place, two places. So it written all the repeated pattern in a list format. Okay. So and other thing we can use. Let's try with some split. Okay. I'm going to use the same string here. Let's create another variable called x3 or e dot mm, split. Split the method which will modify the word based on the pattern which you are giving. So again, it's a method. The first parameter is a pattern. I'm going to give backslash yes, which is nothing but based on the empty space, comma str. So now I'm going to print the x3. Let's see what happened. So what I'm expecting is I'm just trying to split all the word based on the empty space. Let's run this. See, wish you happy new year. Everything is a separate string now. The first time it all of them as a single string. Now it's a list of string. Each and every word becomes the separate string. Okay, I don't want to um, split all of them. I just want to only split the first occurrence. So what you can do? That is again it's a simple. Let's create a variable called x4 and print the x4. The split method can accept another parameter, so you can provide the number here. I'm going to apply the split functionality at the first occurrence alone. Okay, let's run this now and see what is happening. See, the wish and everything else becomes the another string. Okay, so this is how you need to use the split. So what is this still we do have? Sub we have. So what sub is doing? As I said, sub is a replace something with the data which we are given as a pattern. So what I'm going to do is this is my string, right? So I'm going to replace all the space with the hyphen symbol. Okay, so we need to use the sub method. So I'm going to create another variable called x5 is equal to re dot sub, and it will accept three parameters. The first is a pattern. I'm going to my pattern is empty space. Okay, and the first one is the pattern, second one is the replacement. So what you are going to replace with that? I'm going to replace with the hyphen and comma. What is the variable? This is my variable. Then print our x5. So basically what I'm trying to do is all the empty spaces has been replaced with the hyphen symbol. Let's clear the console. See, wish you happy new year and happy birthday. The space becomes the hyphen now. So this is how you need to use the underscore. Okay, so there are some other things also. With the help of sub, you can try specify the count parameter also. So as we said, in the split we can provide what needs to be, what base we need to split the particular string, and whether do we need to split all of them or any specific number of items. The same way we can specify in the sub function as well. Let's copy this and let's create x6 here. So the first one is which we are going to replace, and what is the replacement, and what is the input, I mean the string, and how many positions. I can provide two. So print the x6 here and right click and run. See what happened? Only the two occurrence has been replaced, not all of them. So that's up to us. You can give 5 also. Let's see what is the outcome. See, wish you happy new year, and rest of them not replaced. Okay, so this is how we need to work with the regular expression. Basically, regular expression is used for making our work easier, because if you want to do the same thing in a manual way, it will take a lot of time, and you need to write lot of number of lines of code to complete this particular task. So Python, they have the standard libraries, which is the default library which comes with the Python package, which is called RE, regular expression. They have all the functions implemented. What basically we need to do is we just try to make use of them. But still now we haven't used all of them, as I said, right? There are a lot of special characters here. These are all special characters and meta characters which we need to use it. Each and everything has its own advantages. Just make use of all of them, because I haven't covered all the meta characters and special sequence here. Okay, so just try it yourself, make it as an exercise, and try all the different kind of meta characters as well as a special sequence. And please do let me know if you're stuck somewhere or you don't know how to use a particular meta character or a special sequence. Please do let me know. I can give you a simple example to understand the particular thing which you needed, and that's all from that regular expressions. Okay, um, I hope you guys enjoyed the entire course, and please leave me a review or give me your comments to about the course, so I can do it in the better in the next courses. um, I hope we'll meet each other in the next course. Thank you so much.